We're back. We finally got my traction bars after a month and a half of waiting. So I got them raw because I'm just going to powder coat them. And then also with this and some other pieces I got going around. But it comes with the bars and your everything, bushings, mounting hardware, even rivets for the HSP logo, which is kind of cool. Tell me what I should do. Should I keep them polished, or should I powder coat them black or white or something? But I think it's either going to be polished or black. Yeah, it comes with everything you need. They're your new rear U-bolts and stuff, mounts, and it's pretty nice. So we got that, and here they're 70 inches, so pretty light, not that bad. They're not heavy, but I put them down here too to show you kind of where they'll be on the truck. So it's about right there. So my older ones, the Reapers, must have been obviously a little longer because they got a hole right there. But anyways, yeah, so they should be like not too bad, but not that far away from the thing. So that should be nice. But anyways, just want to show you what you kind of get in the kit. So it's pretty nice. I didn't know they were gonna come like that, but yeah, you get rivets and everything in here. So put that all in there and send her out to powder coat. Kind of just a little unboxing, really. Nothing too fancy. Comes with all your hardware and whatnot. So yeah, glad I made it here finally.